Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. Hey, I've got a new nickname for myself. My new nickname is Crazy Grandma Jeannie because guess what? I've got another big box. There's another house in here. Why would I buy another house, you ask? Well, because this one's very different, beautiful, and unique, much like my other houses that I buy. Let me open it up and show it to you. There you go, dear friends. Isn't it beautiful? Now, this is an Eagle house. The company that made it was called Eagle, and they are from Canada. This house was shipped to me from Canada. It's in excellent condition. The little walls are in here. They're just kind of floating around, so I'll have to get those inserted back into place. There's one there, one there. This is going to have to be in the bathroom because there's the commode. So it'll go there. So it is complete and it is in excellent condition. I am just in love with it. Look at those beautiful, beautiful bright colors. There are a couple of reasons I bought this house. First of all, the bright colors. The colors and the design and the make of this house are very unique. Since it was made in Canada, we don't see them for sale very often here in the United States. In fact, I doubt they see them really very often, even in Canada, being it's from like the 1950s. But look at the very pretty colors and graphics, and it's in excellent condition. Now, if you know me, I'm not afraid to buy a house that's going to be a project, but this house is going to need almost nothing. It's got just a little bit of bend up here that you can't even see, but it's just gorgeous and I love it and it's unique. The other thing I like is it's not huge and I am running out of room in my house. I have just kind of hooked stuff together very quickly, but I wanted to show you here the trademark where it says Eagle in Canada, Eagle Toys. So it is gorgeous. I love it. And I'm so glad that you are here to see me open it. So you remember my new nickname, Crazy Grandma Jeannie. Can't stop buying doll houses. Thanks so much for joining me. As always, remember you've got a friend here in Iowa, and Grandma Jeannie loves you.